I just got my Young Living order a day ago, and now I'm gonna open it. Let's see what I got in it. Got this month. Well, we need to wash our hands, and I love the Thieves hand soap. And the best deal is getting the refill because I have a lot of foaming hand pump dispensers, and sometimes I dilute it just a little bit to make it even last longer and add like a tablespoon of Castile soap that's unscented and even a couple drops of Thieves essential oil to make it more Thieves smelling, and this is really good for the fall time of year. Oh, got our Thieves dish soap. I use that all the time. Acne Treatment. Did you know they have this at Young Living? A safe, clean way to help dry up acne. I have a teen daughter now, so we'll keep that in stock and on hand. Aluminize. This is an amazing supplement that really helps your eyes. It has two herbal supplements in there, zeaxanthin, and what was the other one that really helps your eyes? Lutein, and the wolfberry. It comes from wolfberry, so it's really good for your eyes. Take one a day. There's been testimonies to some of my friends. I have to make sure I take it for consistently, but if you consistently take it, it actually improves your eyesight and helps against all the blue light. We're on our computers and phones a lot. Okay. Ooh, I need a tea tree. So this is so good for cleaning, for acne in your skin, for any fungus, weird stuff. I always keep tea tree on hand. And, oh, got some Thieves toothpaste. We love this. All good ingredients. My favorite is the whitening kind. It's out of stock, but it should be back soon. Life 9 probiotics. Good gut health means good immune support and good emotions and brain health and just so much more. Save these things. This is great for fire starters, or I've even seen great ways of using these tubes for wrapping oil gifts, essential oil gifts for Christmas, and like put something on here. Even like the mini ones. Okay, let's see what oils I got. I can't remember. I got some, lemon. It's just a staple so much. It makes me happy. I clean with it. I put it in my water, the Vitality version, all the time. Okay, last things, all my freebies. I have cinnamon bark, nutmeg, and clove. I'm so excited. I use these all the time, and they also come in Vitality version, and that means it's the same exact oil as the colored label, but I put a drop in my coffee, and it tastes so good. It's kind of like pumpkin spice. And I would say actually the nutmeg, it actually is an extra like energy boost, almost like a natural caffeine. So if you like that, there you go. That's my order. I hope you order some wellness products too. We'll see you soon.